Are you a newlywed? If you've just gotten married, congratulations. Also, I want you to do these two things. My name is Philip Ruce. I'm the estate planning director here at Stone Arch Law Office, a law firm in Minneapolis, Minnesota. Estate planning, this kind of stuff is all we do. Number one, after a new marriage, is I want to make sure you update your beneficiary designations on all of your accounts. If you have bank accounts, a savings account, an IRA, a 401k, life insurance, any of those things, it's very possible when you took these out that you named someone else, not your new spouse. So if your parents are listed, if you have children from a previous relationship and those are listed, if you're naming charities or grandparents or siblings or anything like that, we want to make sure that you're being intentional about those designations and the money's going where it's supposed to go, which is probably your new spouse. It's up to you, but that's my guess, is that you're going to want to make sure you're caring for that new person. So make sure you update those beneficiary designations as soon as you can. Don't let that languish. Secondly, if you're unable to make decisions for yourself, who's the person that's going to be there for you to make those decisions? And I'm talking about financial decisions, but I'm also talking about healthcare decisions. And there's two legal documents that are going to help you with this. The first one is the financial power of attorney. The power of attorney or financial power of attorney document is what allows your spouse to act on your behalf when it comes to your financial life. Got to make sure those checks are getting deposited, payments are being made on policies, who can access your retirement if needed. And that is all done through your financial power of attorney. You probably want to list your spouse first on that. You can list anybody you want, but it's probably most common that that person in our life is going to be the person who watches out for us financially. And the second one is the healthcare directive. The healthcare directive, every state calls these things something a little bit different. Sometimes it's a healthcare proxy. Sometimes it's a healthcare power of attorney. Minnesota, it's typically called a healthcare directive, where you can nominate somebody or appoint somebody to be your healthcare person, the person who can make decisions for you during incapacity. But you can also guide them on what you want. So if you have a preferred doctor or some end-of-life care preferences, you can create all these in the same document. And again, when it comes to appointing that person, it's probably going to be your spouse, but again, it can be anyone you want. Just from personal experience, though, that spouse is probably going to be your main squeeze when it comes to making your healthcare decisions. So get those documents done. Update those beneficiary designations. Get the healthcare directive and power of attorney created. Once again, I'm Philip Ruce at Stone Arch Law Office. Please visit our website to book a call, stonearchlaw.com. You can also book a call directly with us at 612-444-5555.